We'll be learning how to launch our Jupyter notebook on our browser. Just search for Anaconda Navigator. I already downloaded it actually, but I just want to show you guys how to download it, how to go about it. So the once you search for Anaconda Navigator, it brings out so many options. So this is click on this and just directly click on download Anaconda distribution. So clicking on that, it takes you directly to where you can download it. Go to skip registration. When you click on skip registration, it won't require your email. If you send your email to them, I think they'll probably just send you the file, but we don't have that time. Immediately you click on download now. If you come here, you see that it's already downloading and it's 912 MB. It's worth it, so I'd advise that you wait. Because I have downloaded it before, I won't re-download. I'll just close it and then I'll go to my um search bar on my laptop and search for Anaconda Navigator. So apparently when you download it, you install, or when you install it's already on your laptop. When you come to this research bar, you can see the Anaconda Navigator. So you don't need to do anything serious or anything extra. Just click on open, and when it opens, it directly it takes a while to actually open because there are so many environments there. Python environment, there's Jupyter Lab, there's cloud environment, there's Jupyter Notebook, there's so on and so forth, so on and so forth. So you have to be very patient with it. So when it downloads, I'll just show you guys what to do next. Just circle. It's bringing up different dialog boxes. Just wait for it to load. If your laptop is an 8 gig RAM, then the process is going slow. It's a bit slow. Waiting for a while. This will pop up on your screen, and you can see that there's so many environments. We have Dataspell, CMD, R Studios, Oracle Cloud, and so on and so forth. But in this video, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook, which is this one. So you click on launch, it automatically opens a Jupyter Notebook file on your browser by default, and it might take a while, but I'll just show you guys when we get there. It's open, just automatically opens in your browser, like I said earlier. So you click on upload. Although I've already uploaded the file, so it's going to show a list of documents that are acceptable by Jupyter Notebook. So you can just search for it, whatever you saved it with. After the first step on it, you'll just open it. When you click on open, it automatically uploads down here. It's already uploaded. So showing you as how read COVID data.csv. And what we're going to do next is click on new Python 3. Python 3 is like what keeps the code running because it's a Python environment. So it's going to open on the second tab. You can see it's opening on the second tab already, and it's opening as a new tab entirely. So in this video, we're just going to be doing a little bit of cleaning. I think we're already cleaned to a point on our on Excel, but we're just going to cross check if the data is well cleaned, and then we're going to explore it and analyze the data on here. So the first step is importing the libraries that we'll be using for the analysis and so on. Python is really heavy on libraries, and using pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. And if you remember like if you forgot to use any other one, you can import it as we go. I need you guys to like take note of the way I write the code. Python is really case sensitive, and if you're not careful, you'd have a problem with your code. So you have to be very careful with where you write your code. So these are like the libraries we'll be using for now for a start. And then next we're going to be loading our data into the Python. You know, we already uploaded it. We had already uploaded it. So the name should be df is equals to pd.read_csv, read_csv. So just come here to avoid errors and copy the name of the data. So paste it here and then call the file. So control enter will automatically load the data, and let's just see what happens next. Yeah, so we have our data. I think it's because like of the bulkiness of the data, let me take a little bit of time. So we come here and open a new input. So we already saved our data is as df. So we just want to do shows that the data has 311,673 rows and 9 columns. So we go again and look for the information. So Jupyter Notebook environment has different short keys and so on. We can explain that in another video entirely, but I want us to just focus on what we're doing today. Like for instance, I mistakenly clicked on um F and it just went down to finding. So df.info will just show us the amount of null values and non-null values we have. So for the continent and the location and the dates, there are no null values. And for the vaccination, deaths and cases, the value counts for location and continent. So let's do for continent first. Location is the same as country, if you remember. So the value counts to enter. So you can say that we have Africa, Europe, Asia, North America, Oceania, and South America, which is most likely all the continents that were covered during the COVID-19 pandemic. So next, location, same format or same process. Dot value count. So there are 243 countries. You can see it here, and you can see how many times like appeared in the data set. So I think Argentina has like 129 days in total, because if you're looking at it, the value count is based on the dates. So we'll just run some analysis and some visualization next. We'll be changing the date column to date type, date format, or date data type to make it easy. pd.to date time to bracket df. Next, we'll be grouping the cases by the countries by the cases. So you can just say df.group underscore group to define it, so it will be easier for us to view. df.group group by country. We're grouping it by country, or sorry, location. You can just easily come up to check here to confirm, and then so new cases dot sum. So we already defined it. Just call df underscore group, and it's just going to show us. So it has grouped our locations by the total cases, because sum means total, right? So if we used total cases here, we won't have to use some aggregation. We'll just use max. So we can just copy this and then paste here. So let's use something else here. df.continent continent underscore group continent. So this one will be continents. Yeah, let's check if it is in plural. Okay, it's not in plural. So yeah, so we have what each cases have per continent, and like we can see, it is not good or anything. So we can just um create a bar chart or something to just show what we're doing in a graph. You just like check the correlation between the cases, the deaths, and the population of each country. I will just save it as correlation still, define it as correlation and double bracket because we are using several columns. So dot corr. Yeah, so just create a neat map, the correlation. If you want to do an exploratory data analysis, would you can just drop a comment in the comment section. So we will correlation to make a video on it. Yeah, so plt.show to show the graph. Yeah, so we have the graph and you can see that this is not a positive correlation and the population to the new cases has just 0.15 correlation. The new death to population has 0.16, so cases and deaths almost have the same correlation with population. So the new cases to new data 0.18 correlation, and that will be all for our exploratory data exploration and data validation. So next we'll be going to Power BI to create more visuals and more dashboard. Although we can just do one more bar chart. And just do a bar chart for continents and cases. So x is equals to continent. No continent. I think it doesn't have um plural. So y is equals to new underscore cases, and then data is equals to df plt.show to show our visualization. So yeah, so as you can see for cases, for the new cases, you can see that Asia has the highest sum of cases, followed by Europe, followed by Africa, followed by Oceania, Latin America, and South America. Most likely because um, Africa has a very strong immune system, and Oceania has literally just two countries in it. We will be creating a CSV file. Oh, sorry, we're creating a CSV. So that's creating a CSV file, a new version of what we have been doing so far. We changed some values there. So we'll just create a name. Let's just give it COVID-19. So once we do this, um, we'll just open this COVID-19.csv on our Power BI part. So it automatically shows here. You can just like download it. So okay, sorry, there's another one open here. So you can just click on download and it automatically downloads to our laptop. So that brings us to the end of our data exploration and validation. See you guys in the third phase, which is our Power BI dashboard and visualization. And we're going to be building a dashboard from scratch. If you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.